Dongguan Sweet Ocean Headwear Group stands as one of China's most seasoned and comprehensively capable professional hat manufacturers. Deeply rooted in the headwear field, we integrate original design, precision pattern making, expert sewing, exquisite embroidery shaping and ironing, standardized packaging, and global sales services into one seamless workflow, delivering a one-stop, full-chain custom production solution. With over 18 years of proven, hands-on experience in R&D, manufacturing and export sales, we enforce strict quality control at every stage of production. Our consistently reliable products are exported to Western Europe, Northern Europe, Australia, North America, and dozens of other countries and regions worldwide, earning wide recognition from clients both at home and abroad. Our factory hosts SEDEX Social Responsibility certification. We are also certified with GRS for recycled material traceability, ISO 9001 for quality management, and OECO-TEX standard 100 guaranteeing that our fabrics contain no harmful substances and meet infant and mother safety standards. This enables us to take on global brand orders and pass factory audits with ease. We employ over 100 stable and skilled production workers, supported by standardized workshops, dedicated quality inspection zones, and spacious finished goods warehouses, with an annual output exceeding 3 million hats of all types. Our full production capacity is well prepared to handle both large volume bulk orders and small batch custom runs. Deeply experienced in OEM, ODM manufacturing, we have partnered with global icons such as Disney, Mercedes-Benz and Coca-Cola, serving clients in over 150 countries. We are ready to tailor production solutions for enterprises of all kinds, including cross-border e-commerce sellers. We pride ourselves on 5 core competitive advantages: offering free professional design services and enforcing a rigorous 22-step quality inspection process throughout production. Backed by over 18 years of mature hat-making expertise, we have built a seamless one-stop service covering quotation, sampling, manufacturing, and after-sales support. At the same time, we optimize production scheduling to shorten lead times, ensuring efficient and on-time delivery for every order, fully adaptable to custom requests of any scale, from small batches to large volumes. Sweet Ocean Hat industry crafted with care, ready to partner